What's going on, guys?
Asia. Really?
Guys.
No. What's going on, guys?
What's going on, Badru Familams? Welcome to our channel.
We're finally here.
My name is Wasim.
My name's Rania.
We are doing the Get to Know Us tag. So without further ado,
Let's get straight into it.
Yep.
First question is how old we are.
So I am 26, just turned 26, August baby. Leo, you already know.
You just turned 26?
Yeah, August, isn't it? I'm with an oldie. How old are you, babe?
I'm 26, but I'm going to be turning 27.
27, nearly 35. Yeah.
And Asia's 2.
And Asia is 2. How old are you, baby?
Hey.
And Asia is 2.
Okay.
Next question is...
what race is your wife? But also we're going to do what race are you as well. I'm Somali, but I was born here.
I have to pick this up again because I say it off camera.
Oh my god.
When I first met my wife, she said she was from Yemen. She said she was half Yemeni, half Somali. Now today, she's fully Somali because of the cam now.
No, I've always been fully Somali from birth. I've always been fully Somali.
Whereabouts in Somalia?
I don't like.
Where are you from in Somalia?
That say, oh, I'm half.
Okay, where are you from in Somalia?
Huh?
Where are you from in Somalia?
Mogadishu, innit?
Mogadishu. Shout out my Mogadishus and that.
Yeah. Okay, but you still haven't answered your question though.
I'm from Nigeria.
Yeah.
LA, Lagos, baby. You already know. Straight from the gutter. You know what I mean?
Okay. Third question is, what are your middle names?
Your name? Yes, your name. My name na Ovuvuevuevue Enyetuenwevue or Sas. Pardon? Come again.
I'm joking, that's not a question.
What are you trying to say?
Middle
name long, guys.
Alright, next question. How did you meet?
So how did we meet?
I think you should answer this one.
Yeah, so I was Rania's friend's client at her workplace. So I used to always come and shop, and I used to come and shop all the time and that. And then when I used to come there, I used to see Rania. I used to be like to her friend, like, hook me up in it, like, who's your friend, like, yo, like, put in a good word for me, like, kind of thing, innit?
These
like,
times I never even used to notice him, guys.
You know, like when I used to
really
come in, she used to like turn her face, like,
People to never
she didn't see me, like, she didn't see the smile and that, like, ding, you know what I mean? But yeah, and then
Did I again?
ding, hey, Colgate, sponsor.
Free toothpaste for life.
You get me? But yeah, and then I just told her like, yo, hook me up, and then I don't know if she told you about me though.
Nah, she did. She used to say odd, like, you know he's on to you, and I'd be like, not interested.
And then
Don't
yeah,
even
like,
reply back to him.
tried to slide in a few DMs and that. You get me? Like, you get me?
What, smooth criminal?
Smooth criminal and that, and now we here, B.
Next question.
How long have you been married?
We...
Bruh. Okay, good one.
Okay, so don't mind that. The third troll in the background. We've been married, it's coming up to 3 years now.
Yeah,
when
December the 20th.
Yeah.
Oh, you think I forgot? You think I'm gonna forget? I checked that before I went on the camera, bro.
Yeah, you're lucky.
December the 20th. That's our anniversary.
Yeah,
which
good,
is
good
like...
to remember. So that we've been married for 3 years then. It's probably about
100 now.
Jeez, it's an achievement, you know. You make it that long in a match. It's not easy. Being married to him, especially.
Not be easy. You have life sentence. But they say happy wife, happy life, innit? So,
I'm glad you
so the guys are getting married soon, inshallah. Just say yes, yes. That's it.
The hardest part about trying to incorporate both cultures in how you raise your baby girl. What do you think about that question?
I don't find it hard.
Yeah, neither do I.
I don't find it hard. I think because obviously we're both born and raised in London, so we have that. That's a culture in itself, and then
but I still try to incorporate like
the
my
Somali
culture,
and I also try and incorporate the Nigerian culture.
And how we do that is by either by the food that we eat,
yeah,
or like the language. Like I will try my best to speak to her in Somali.
Baby can't speak Somali, I know it. I can speak more Somali than her. You get
like
me? Skoran, Fi'an, Setahay. You get what I'm saying?
Listen.
Trust me. Yeah?
Learn how to speak.
Yeah? You can't see. I can see Kilo Shele. Shewakpa.
Final question, guys. How did you know that we were the one for each other?
Bruh.
Let me start off, yeah? Like, for me personally, how I knew that he was the one for me, like, we were going through, like, a heavy time.
Yeah. Without going too deep.
Yeah, without
into
going
it,
too
like,
deep
you know
into
what I'm saying?
it.
But, you know.
But for me, like, him sticking around and him being there for me, like, every single day, like, he looked after me, he supported me. And for me, I knew that, raw, like, you know what, like, he could have gone, but he didn't, like, you know.
And you too, babe. Like, that's what life is.
Like, for me, from then, that's when I knew that he was the one, because I was like, wow, like, if he wanted to, he could have just stopped, but he didn't. Like, he stuck around. And you're looking after me, and
alhamdulillah. Likewise, baby. I said that same thing. Well, like, that's for me. That's when I realized, like, yo, like,
I feel like sometimes when you go through a hard time, that's when you know the real deal. Like, and that's with not just for like marriage purposes only.
In life, in
I'm
general.
talking about with anything and everything. When you're going through a hard time, that's when you know.
You know who's there.
Deal. You know who's there for you. Even your friends,
100%.
you know who's really there for you when you're going through a rough time or a hard time.
Come on, baby, show them the ring though, man. We had to put some ice on it, baby. They can't see it. Show that. They show it properly. They have to put some ice on that now, baby. You know what I'm saying?
So yeah.
But alhamdulillah, yeah, we're here now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And obviously, we wanna bring you guys on.
Do you know what I'm saying? Bring you guys.
Family now.
You lot are part of the family now. You lot are members of the Badru family. So make sure you stay following us, inshallah.
And look out for the next video.
It's a wrap.
All he cares about is his smile. All he does.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap, guys.
It's a wrap.
He just sits there like.
Make sure you like,
comment,
subscribe,
and
turn your push notifications on. I'm just getting used to this thing, innit? Turn your push notifications on, so you know every time we upload, B. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Yeah, this is going on. This is going on.
Comment down in the section below what you want us to see and record next.
What you want us to see.
What you want.
What you guys want to see. It's all about you guys.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's the one.
Yeah.
What you want
to see.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Struggle. And that is a wrap.
Alright, cool.